Please tell me I have.
Now you're getting camped in there.
Yo, I got the best voice line.
Oh my god, I just legit heard that.
Oh, there he is.
Now you're getting camped in there.
What the fuck? Would you please wait for me?
I'm gonna wait where they like open up those lockers.
Yeah, they're coming in.
The zombie. You guys are being racist.
I'm
a warrior.
Killer!
Right.
Oh!
I need a med kit. Nice.
I have so many voice lines.
Killer! Oh!
What was that?
What is this scream?
Damn, bro.
I lied.
Wait. Oh god. No! Wait! Wait, no, I'm not the one with the gun.
I have a generator turned on and...
Go, brother.
No, just leave. We leave them. They're all dead.
We got this. Doctor's on the surface, by the way.
That's fine. That's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, I've been touched. Oh, this is a problem. Help! I'm gonna die, please. Thank you. Where is it? Where to go?
I dropped another one.
Oh my god.
Oh, how'd he die?
He got touched by Plague Doctor, and my first medkit I threw at him disappeared.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, wait, somebody's coming up.
I don't have a preference.
Yeah, I just heard the other elevator on A come down. Why is that one up?
Not funny.
Okay, this is kind of funny.
It is kind of funny. That's not as funny.
It is still funny.
I'm willing to consider it being funny, though.
That's who he was running from.
It's not clear. It's not clear. It's not
Nasty.
clear.
Yo, you missed somebody, Plague Doctor.
It is not clear. Holy fuck. I'm coming.
What?
Wait, the elevators usually spawn down, don't they?
I think they spawn randomly now.
Oh, they do.
Someone called
Random
it.
orientation.
Oh, Peanut was right behind us anyway. Screw that.
Diego, Brando. Oh, I knew
I
it.
jumped
I
over
knew it.
him!
No, this thing, bro.
I wanted it.
Well, go get it.
Oh, okay.
Doctor, you gotta have some self-preservation skills.
Nah, he's not in there. Never mind, I got him anyway with the grenade.
Lucky don't.
Oh, I'm bleeding out.
Please make it. No!
In order to avoid destruction.
Open the door, open the door, open the door. I'm going back home. I was safe here.
What is it?
To the guy who keeps giving the doggo the fucking ooh line, I'm going to kill you. Yeah, that's it. I'm coming to fucking kill you.
Where to go to get XP? I don't know if I should follow you guys.
Maybe the dog, since
I'm just gonna
she's going to 939 or 914.
Okay, hold on. D-boys give me more. D-boys give you actually more XP, so they give you 40 instead of 30.
I have a scientist up ahead.
I'm killing a
Believe the audacity? He killed my friends! Oh my goodness!
I was going into candy.
Actually, if you touched him, then...
Okay.
I did touch him. Yeah, he's going down very slowly.
Go through the door that's open.
Going through server room.
Never mind.
And break the window.
Let's think.
I'll take care of you.
Half a second.
I mean, thank you.
It's what, like 45 bucks for one?
Bucks?
Yeah.
They all went the wrong direction. Fuck them.
Fun fact, though, they get to live at the end of the day. Why do I say things? Why do I hear peanut?